And more newsbreak coming in with respect to the Gyanvapi case. A fresh plea has been filed in the Apex Court challenging Places of Worship Act. Delhi-based lawyer Chandrasekhar has moved SC alleging that the said act bars the judicial review power enshrined in the constitution. The plea also questions whether the central government has the right to remove illegal encroachments from religious places. We have Ananya tracking the story very closely. Ananya, if you could give us more details of this fresh plea that has been filed before the Supreme Court.
Well, yes, remember, Samiksha, that this petition has been filed by a Delhi-based lawyer, Chandrasekhar, challenging certain sections and certain vires of the Places of Worship Act of the 1991. It challenges Section 2, Section 3, Section 4 and certain other vires of this whole act. The major question in this petition is whether the central government clearly has a right to remove illegal encroachments from a religious place, and whether a redetermination of the religious character of a place, of a religious place, cannot be done under this act. In fact, it also questions, asks whether the judicial review power enshrined in the constitution can be exercised in terms of this act, because the petitioner clearly alleges that this act bars the judicial review power of the Supreme Court with regards to which is enshrined in the constitution. In fact, if we remember what had happened during the Gyanvapi mosque hearing when the Supreme Court bench headed by...
Yes. Ananya, just hold your thoughts there. We also have the advocate of the petitioner, Nirmal Kumar Ambastha, who is joining us on the phone line. Sir, if you could give us more details of this fresh plea that has been filed in the Supreme Court that challenges the 1991 Act.
Good morning. This plea is based on the constitutional law which have been settled by...
Well, we'll try and connect with the advocate of the petitioner again. We have Ananya who continues to be with us. Ananya, please continue. You were telling us about this fresh plea.
Well, yes, if you remember, Samiksha, when the whole Gyanvapi matter was before the topmost court of the country and Justice D.Y. Chandrachud was hearing it, he was clearly of the opinion that day that the Section 3 of the Places of Worship Act doesn't bar a redetermination of the religious character of a disputed site. So various questions in this petition have also been raised. This is not the first petition challenging the Places of Worship Act, but also another petition has been filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay with regards to the challenge to the Places of Worship Act, and there are various contentions being raised in both of these petitions. While this petition claims that the whole act bars the power of judicial review enshrined in the constitution, and also question whether the central government can really remove encroachment and is really entitled. So a lot of questions. The Supreme Court will be hearing this constitutional challenge, and we'll have to wait and watch as to how it reacts to. But we have seen the mentions of the Places of Worship Act in various matters, which include
yes.
the Ram Janmabhoomi.
All right. Thank you for that information.